In a cooker, add 2 tablespoons oil, 1 teaspoon jeera seeds, 1 bay leaf, 2 cardamom, 2 cloves, 1 star anise, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 green chilies, 1 medium onion chopped, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 3/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tomato, 1 carrot, 1 potato, half cup green peas, 3 cups chopped spinach, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon chili powder, quarter teaspoon garam masala, chopped coriander leaves, 1 cup washed rice, 2 1/4 cup water, salt to taste. Spinach veg pulao is now ready. Thank you for watching. Bye.